you tired of struggling to keep track of your finances every month? Introducing the Personal Budget Template, designed to help you take control of your financial life. With features like detailed financial report and customizable dashboard, managing your money has never been easier. Let's dive in and see how this template can transform your finances. Let's explore the dashboard, your visual command center for financial insights. The dashboard summarizes your financial data in easy-to-understand charts. You'll see your income, your expenses, your cash flow, and more at a glance. It's the perfect tool for making informed decisions about your money. You can see here how the monthly analysis visualizes your growth, and you can see if you're on track with your goals. The budget analysis shows you the received versus the expected by month, by category, and same for the budget. And then we have the account analysis, where you can monitor the balance throughout the year for each of your accounts. Next up, we have the payment schedule feature that helps you stay organized and on top of your financial obligations. At the top, we have the filters to choose the month and the transaction type. We also have this handy overview counter here to easily see how much has been paid in this month. You can simply input your scheduled payments in the Expenses tab, and the calendar will automatically show you what's due, what's paid, and what's overdue. It's like having a personal financial assistant to help you on track. And the best thing about this calendar is that it builds itself automatically based on the data input. And if you don't want a specific data to be shown in the calendar, you can simply remove its due day from the Expenses tab. And it will not be shown in the calendar. The color formatting makes it really easy to understand the calendar even from a glance. The dark blue highlight is the current date, and the reds are for expenses, and the greens would be for the income. When you have expenses that are overdue, they will turn red. Now let's dive deeper into the financial report. You have the bank balance overview at the top, and you can filter your payments to marked as done. And the template will take into consideration only the payments that actually took place. Here you will find detailed breakdowns of your incomes and expenses. You can compare your actual spending against your budget, make projections, and track your bank balance over time. And in the end of this report, we have the mini chart that shows you how the actual value varies during the year, month by month. Since the financial report may seem a bit overwhelming, the dashboard actually has all the same information as the financial report. It's just that the data is visually represented in a way that might be a bit easier to understand. The dashboard is basically an overview of everything you enter in the template. So we can see what we've received, what we paid, and the balance, which is the difference between these two. You can see your bank balance versus the expected balance. You can see the cash flow, the received versus not received, by months, paid versus not paid, and so much more. But how do you get all this data into the template? It's actually really simple with the Income and Expenses tabs. You will just enter your incomes and your expenses, and the template will automatically generate the financial report, the calendar, and the dashboard. On the left, we have the categories that the user entered in the Fields tab, and they're set automatically here in black. The blue fields are the subcategories that you as a user will enter. And you can add a due day to build the calendar. The values you enter in 1 month will automatically project into the future, and the new value will become blue because it is a manual input. And after we enter the values, we have the Done column next to it to confirm if we actually paid it with a check mark. So then in the dashboard, it will be shown as paid versus not paid. And in the financial report, it will be filtered with the marked as done. The income tab is the same as the expenses tab, it's just for the incomes. The fields tab is where you will enter your starting balance and your account details over here. And you can create your incomes, expenses with the expected values and choose where those values will be deposited or withdrawn. So for example, I always want my salary to go into my savings account, and I want to pay for my credit card with my checking account over here. Overall, this personal budget template will track your income and expenses and give you a high-level summary or analysis of your gains or losses. With the features like the dashboard, the financial report, and the payment schedule calendar, you'll have everything you need to manage your money like a pro. Download this template today and take your first step towards a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching.